Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financiable. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete PayPal account from your PayPal app. So to get started, let's open PayPal app. So you can see this interface. Now you can see profile icon on top left corner. Tap on it. It will navigate you to this interface. Here you can see option to close your account. Click on it. After clicking on close your account, it will navigate you to another interface. So here confirm to close your account. To confirm, tap on it. So in this way you can delete PayPal account. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.